So in Transas like this, if you want to install, delete, remove anything, or install base DVD, install permits, update weekly catalog updates, all these things is done from 𝗣𝗑 Planner, and that software is present inside the Transas like this. To go into a 𝗣𝗑 Planner, you have three options. Means you have three places from where you can go. Either you can click over here, this T button, which is called Transas Integrator. So you click over here, and then on bottom you could see this. There you could click 𝗣𝗑 Planner, and the 𝗣𝗑 Planner will open. That's one way to go. The second way is you can go to task list, go to charts, and in general here also you can see this 𝗣𝗑 Planner, and if you click this, your 𝗣𝗑 Planner will open. So all this these are places from where you can enter into 𝗣𝗑 Planner. Or the third option is over here on your keyboard. You can see this Transas Integrator button after control. This is the button. So if you press that, again on your screen you will see this 𝗣𝗑 Planner option where you can open. So let's just see. If I'll press this, you can see over here 𝗣𝗑 Planner function is there, and I'll click open. So this is how it is, 𝗣𝗑 Planner, and you can open. And just like your computer, if you want to come back to your 𝗣𝗑 screen, if you want to come back to your 𝗣𝗑 screen, all you have to click is Alt and Tab. You can see over here, just like a normal computer, how we switch. So it will come back to 𝗣𝗑. So if I want again go back, now the 𝗣𝗑 Planner is open. It's not I have not exited from 𝗣𝗑 Planner. If I want to go back, all I have to do is Control Tab, and I can go to 𝗣𝗑 Planner because it's open. If I have to exit, you have to come over here, Transas, and you have to click over here, exit. So if you exit from this, once you terminate this, then again you have to either press T button, Transas Indicator, or you have to control open from keyboard, or you have to come from the charts function. So hello guys, this is 𝗣𝗑 Planner, and this 𝗣𝗑 Planner is almost, if you have worked on Transas like this, so it's if you have worked in Transas like this, then it's almost 60 to 70% similar. There are only few things which are different, like these things are different. Otherwise, on the right side, if you see these tabs, these are almost what is there on your Transas like this. These tabs are similar to your Transas like this. So first what we will do is we can load a route. I'll load my present route. So that's my route. If I want to go to my shifts position, as you can see, this the button which is there, same as in Transas like this ahead button. Press this, and it will automatically, the chart will automatically take me to the position where my ship is. So this is my ship position. I can zoom in. So this is my ship position. So as you can see, it has full charts. So this 𝗣𝗑 Planner is almost like full charts are loaded inside this. So even it is not used for it is not to be used for navigation purpose, but rest all you can see all your charts, depth. You can make your route from here also. Inside your 𝗣𝗑 Planner you can make your route. Then this plus symbol is same like for zoom in, zoom out. This 1:1, this original scale, that's an compilation scale button. So if you press this, the chart will go to its best compilation scale, or the original. I'll press this, and now it is the present chart which is there inside. It has gone to its compilation scale. So anywhere you are, for example, you are here. So if I press this, it will go to its compilation scale. The chart compilation. If, for example, if you have zoomed in so much, if I press this, this chart will go to its compilation scale. Then this I is for information button, or as we call it on some actors we call it peak report. So if I press this I anywhere on the chart, I can press, I can click this, and on the bottom it will show me the information about it. It's like what it is, all the information, navigational, magnetic variation, area. So I is like a peak report. This I button over here, it's called info. It's a peak report button. A here, but this is a display. This is base display, standard display, custom display. Base display, if I'll press, you can see the chart information is gone. If I'll just zoom out, so you can see there is no information displayed. Then if I'll press standard display, some information will be visible. If I'll press custom display, some information will be displayed. So we must always select all display all. So all the information which is there on the chart is displayed. AIO is just a simple to switch on the AIO. Just you have to press this AIO, and you will be able to see AIO. Let's just see if we have any AIO. Because I am in an area of Brazil where we do not have AIO. So that's basically to switch on or switch off AIO. Yeah, here you can see this is a pipeline submersion. So that's an AIO. If I press this, AIO is off. So this button is to switch on or switch off AIO. This button I've never used this toggle on off. It's not much of use. Weather overlay, if your system is too good, it's basically with respect to Transas only. If you have Transas like this, then you can have weather overlay if you have weather information available, if your system is online basically. So, my system is not online, so it's nothing is to be displayed here because of this. Then I'll use this, press this ahead button. Then tide current values, you can, if you have your currents and tides, you can see on the charts. Tides and currents both. This one first is tides, then is tidal currents, surface currents. So all these things are visual. You can switch it on for your navigation. For while making your route, you can switch on this if you want. While planning your route, actually, I'll just switch it off. This A button over here is quick distance tool to measure the distance between two places from ship. You can measure the distance. Just click left, and it will measure the distance. This is a setting button. Show setting. This is setting where you can change the settings so like basically you can play around here. There's nothing to be shown. Chart boundaries, if you click over here, you can see chart boundaries, charts boundaries, as I said. The important over here is the important point or important function over here. You click on route, and here in route you can see data selection corridor. Here I have selected 10 nautical mile. So if I make my route and if I select the charts, automatically how many nautical miles the chart will be selected here. That's the function of 10 nautical mile, or you can increase or decrease this. So if you want 5 nautical mile around your route charts to be selected automatically, this is that function. So, and rest all is if you are making a route, you can set the function over here: safety contour, shallow contour, cross track distance, turn radius, cable length, margin. So this is very important function. If you want to increase the data selection corridor, means if you want to increase the chart selection area, when we automatically selects the chart, here you can increase this. Rest all is area alert. There is nothing, means you can work it out and see, but nothing which is of importance. 𝗕𝗔𝗦𝗜, of course, in chart display you can check 𝗕𝗔𝗦𝗜, date dependent view, full scale minimum, full height length. These all are not actually required for you. And if you are working on Transas like this, then of course these are just not required, because you can see them on your like this. So that's it. So that's it in the settings button. The most important function is if you can go to route and you can select this data selection. Here on the left side, first is route, where you can new auto load, auto route, or here on my this auto route function is not working. maybe on some higher end this auto route function might be working. Here on load route, you can load a route. Waypoint editor, you can edit this route, you can link two routes, you can reverse the route, you can import or export the route. Means import from a pen drive or some other drive, export, you can export to other drives. Here in export, you can export to CSV format or XLS format, XML, the format which can be edited. So this is the place we had. In a Transas like this, we normally come to 𝗣𝗚, and from 𝗣𝗚 only we export a route in a CSV format, normally the one which we can edit. So you can select first you have to do is you have to load a route. For example, this route I have loaded. You have to load this route, go to export, select your pen drive over here and select the type of format you want to own. So this CSV format, it can be edited in computer, and there is this XLS format. This XLS format, this can be edited into the computer. So either I can select this and just press export. So that's how we can export a route. Delete route is just normal, you can delete this route. Here in chart function is the one where we can install charts. In install tab, here we can install weekly update, daily update, catalog updates, base DVD. All things are done, all things are uploaded or installed from here. Then that's a chart catalog. In install chart, if you click over here, you can see all the charts which are there installed. It will only show the installed chart, their status and all. So this is AIO, this GB80001, that's the AIO, and there you can check the status to which week it is updated, and all other charts are normal, like you can select and make sure which charts are set. If you want your chart catalog, you have to come here, click chart catalog, come over here and select this ENC catalog. It will take some time, and in this chart catalog it will show all the charts, whichever charts are there. Like if I, now you can see, if I click this, now it will show all the charts. Here you can, or here you can write in this tab and press enter, and you can search your charts. So here in this chart catalog function, you will see all the charts present in your ECDIS or in your system, I would say, all the charts. So if I'll zoom out, you can see these are all the charts. It is showing me all the charts. External order history is where we can see orders. Means if you are making order from 𝗣𝗚, here on the left side you can see these are the orders. For license I have made order, for catalog I have made catalog update, then this is normal weekly updates. So if it is received or not, on what date it is received, and what is the status of that. So first we normally request catalog update, then we request for weekly updates, and if next normally it's license. So that's it. Weather, if you have, I told as it, if you have a weather function available in your Transas ECDIS, then in overlay, here you can have ADP overlay. If you have ADP function switched on in your ECDIS or in your 𝗣𝗚, but it's only done in those systems which are online. This is not an online function, so you won't have here anything with respect to ADP. I cannot switch on any ADP, ALL, ALRs. Otherwise you can switch it on and it will show on this screen over here. But it's only done, it's only available on ECDIS which are online. Same for weather also, it's only available on system which are online. So for normal users, it will the function route or charts. These are the two functions which are required. Charts to select the charts or to make orders. Route is for creating route or exporting a route. That's all is required in a 𝗣𝗚 tab.